In this video, we will show you the basics of using Ticket Check to organize, filter, and status your incoming locator tickets. After logging into your iTick NXT account, click the Locator Tickets button. The Locator Tickets module contains a complete list of your locator tickets. You have several options available to organize or filter this list. The tabs at the top of the list allow you to display open emergency tickets, tickets due today, tickets due the next business day, and unassigned tickets. You can customize which tabs appear at the top of the page. We'll come back to that later. If enough tickets match the current filtering criteria, you can navigate to the next page of tickets using the buttons at the bottom of the list. Adjust the date range of displayed tickets using the calendar buttons here. If you receive tickets from multiple notification district codes, you can use the Districts menu to narrow your search further. The Filter By menu provides additional filtering criteria, such as canceled tickets, no response tickets, or tickets that are ready for statusing. Clicking the More Search Options link will bring up a menu for more specific search criteria. The Locators menu allows you to search for tickets assigned to a specific locator. The Search Field menu allows you to search for tickets matching specific criteria within the locate request itself. Click the blue plus button to narrow down your ticket search even further. Click the blue trash can to remove additional search fields. You can view the currently displayed tickets within a geographic context by clicking View Ticket Map. Click the icon to view its ticket number. Clicking the ticket number allows you to view and interact with that specific ticket. You can also search for tickets within a geographic area using the interactive map found in the More Search Options menu. You can customize the information displayed on the Locator Tickets page using the Page Settings menu. Table Settings affects what ticket information is displayed on the ticket list. Tab Settings affects which tabs are displayed at the top of the Locator Tickets page. Search settings are broken down into two categories. The Filter By section controls which search criteria are available in the Filter By drop-down list. The default options allows you to customize the default ticket set displayed when you first load the Locator Tickets module, such as the utility notification district or date range shown. To update the marking status of a ticket, click its ticket number. Then click the Change Status Locator button at the top of the page. Select the new status from the drop-down menu and make sure to save your changes. You can update the status of multiple tickets simultaneously from the Ticket List menu. First, tick the checkbox for all relevant tickets. Then access the I Want To drop-down menu and select the Change Status/Locator option. Then click the Change Status/Locator button. Choose the new status using the status menu. Then click the Next button. After reviewing your changes, click the Submit button to submit your changes. Thanks for watching.